Hello there, I'm Lena, your friendly AI avatar brought to life by our PropMarker AI team. I'm here to guide you on your property investment journey. Whether you're a registered user or taking advantage of our free trial, I'm here to make sure you get the most out of PropMarker's brilliant features. So, let's get started with my guidance and on-screen recordings. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Look for the option labelled Start Adding Postcode Areas and give it a click. This will lead you to a section where you can input your postcodes areas. In this section, you'll notice a drop-down menu labelled Choose Postcode Area. Here, you can either type in your preferred postcode area or pick one from the list we've provided. Let's say you're keen on the EN1 postcode area. Just type EN1 in the entry box, and voila, a list of corresponding postcode areas will appear. Select EN1 from the drop-down and hit the Update Now button. Fancy adding more postcode areas like EN2, EN3, EN4, and EN5? No problem. The process is the same. Type in the postcode area, select it from the list, and click Update Now. Please note that once you have chosen a postcode area, you will not be able to change it unless you are a premium package member where you can edit and update your chosen areas as much as you like. On the right-hand side, you'll see a map where you can easily view the surrounding postcode areas to the ones you have already selected. Back on the dashboard, you'll see the postcode areas you've selected, teeming with the best property deals. Now you're primed and ready to explore the fantastic property deals that PropMarker has unearthed for you. Should you need any further assistance or have any queries, please don't hesitate to ask. Happy property hunting with PropMarker.